Hey guys, in this video here, I'm going to show you an issue that I came across the other day in terms of production rates. So the production rate was looking a little off, mostly because we had nothing but labor costs tied to it, but no actual production. So what I discovered is that on our cost code up here for bid item 2, cut and fill, you got to put a quantity in there. Now I know it's tough to know what that amount is when you're just pushing, like in this example with Aloft, from pushing the on-site crushed gravel from one side to the other, but just do your best to estimate what you did that day. Like, I mean, the production rate, as you can see, we kind of estimated here, you're going to do about 140 cubic yards an hour. So that's going to be 1100 for the day. So if you wanted to, if you think 1100 was accurate, just put 1100 in there. Done. Go back. Now it shows the production that has the cubic yards moved, and then put your hours and everything else in here. Oh, 8D1. And that way, whenever you go to look at your project or your job analysis here, once we submitted that time card, you'd be able to see the actual production rate, and it wouldn't be skewed because of that, because there was no cubic yards entered for that particular time card. So just make sure you put something in there. Like I said, it's hard to know what the actual amount is with some of these, so just do your best. I mean, it's I know it can be challenging, but you guys kind of know just based off of estimate notes what we kind of expected. Now this is based on previous data, so just kind of use your best guess with this, and just get as accurately as you can. That way you can look at it yourself and see how productive, how efficient you guys are being out in the field.